Alright guys, and for the purpose of this tutorial, what I want to share is how you can use your snipe tool to extract text from either your screenshots, just like you're sniping ordinary images from your desktop computer. This time around, you'll be using the same snipe tool to extract text from images, and you can easily edit or share text into Word and every other document editing tool. Alright, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'd like to search out my sniping tool because I've already used it, so it's still here on my list. Or you can just go to your start menu and pick up your sniping tool. So let's make use of this particular platform. For example, I click on the text snipe or text extractor here. Once you click, it gives you a section. Just what you simply do is just highlight the area you want to edit. Yes, once you edit the area of text, you highlight the area of text you want to edit. You can see you can right click on this group of text, you click on this icon, select all, then you can easily copy, or you copy right from the text. Copy it right from the text. When you copy, I'll now open with my text or document editing tool, which is Microsoft Word. After opening, let's say blank document, after insert a new document, I can easily paste the text. Okay, you can see everything we've highlighted from that sniped area from your YouTube channel right earlier has been from here. We highlighted them from here using our snipe tool, so we can easily edit this way. We have all our text set, so we can start editing if we want. We can start editing if we want. You can see from image to text. So I've extracted the text from my image. Let's make use of another typical example. Now I don't want to make use of my YouTube channel. Let me just minimize the channel. Let's make use of maybe an image or a scanned document. Okay. Back to the tutorial. Okay, sorry for the glitch. Okay, let's make use of a scanned document. For example, you can see what we have here. This is a scanned receipt for a particular transaction. Then I'll click on text extractor from snipe tool. Once I click, I highlight the text area just like that. Boom, guys, you can see. Then I click, I see select all, then I can copy, then take it back to my document or text editing tool. I now paste. After pasting, I can easily edit. You can see transaction receipt and everything like that. So guys, if this tutorial was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe please, and hit the notification button, because I only share tips, tricks or tech tips from huge stuff. Thanks guys, bye for now. Alright, bye for now guys.